OMG guys, new couch and new rug, let's unbox them together. Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, let me tell you what you missed. So we moved here from med school and I just had to find some budget-friendly apartment finds to just make this place feel a lot more like home. Now listen, I'm all about getting comfortable with the uncomfortable, but as a girly who's very in tune with her emotions this season, yeah, it's been a lot. So decorating this apartment even just to 90% is my way of feeling grounded so I can stay focused on what I actually came here for. So first up is this couch. These came in 2 boxes and yeah, the way they packed this couch, one thing about these companies, they gonna squish something in. I was shocked, like the vacuum seal was epic. But I'm not going to lie, one of my favorite parts is seeing this couch stretch out in real time. Just wait y'all. Right here, I got a little scared because I didn't want to just start cutting and God forbid cut into the couch. Plus, I was already fighting with that thick band in the beginning. That was that pop sound that you heard. Now, I don't want to toot my own horn, but I did that. If you're a girl and you're scared about having to do a heavy lifting with a couch, this couch is really easy, very girl friendly. I thought the wrinkles were going to be a lot worse since I seen someone talked about steaming their couch, but it's not too bad, but I'm still going to steam it just to get all the crinkles out. But honestly, she's very cute. You can't even lie. She's a moment. Not too much, not too little. Yeah, that's just probably the best way we could go about it.
as for this, I'm kind of excited about this rug. I really asked chat to help me basically plan how I can design. And here, because I already told y'all, I'm on mission. I want to get settled.
No, really. And I actually ordered this rug a day after setting this couch up because I just wanted to make sure I was going to be home. And this rug came in 2 days, y'all. It was really fast shipping.
Shipping's pretty fast. I looked at that in my phone. Like, this rug is so pretty. Let me see if y'all can see it. Can y'all see it? I'll link it below. Why does it feel like it's smaller though? Maybe I should put it. This is kind of it. It's not terrible, right? It's kind of cute. Like, trying to do something like this. We don't hate it. Okay. We don't hate it. I probably have to vacuum it and fluff it out, but I don't hate it. I think, one, I thought it was gonna be a little larger. I don't know, but I feel like it's a perfect size. Yeah, I think it's a perfect size. I think it's just, I gotta put some more stuff and then, I don't know, that's all we could really say. And I'm thinking maybe getting like another ottoman. I think an ottoman or just like a weird shaped chair that's kind of like circular and flat. I don't know, I don't know. That's how, I don't know. Or I could just move that other chair. Or I could just move that chair over here. I don't know, I'm still thinking.
Okay, so it grew on me. At first, I was low-key in denial because I was low-key disgusted. Let's really be real. But it just needed to flatten out and really put that chair on the other side. Right now, I really love this area, especially when it comes to studying or just needing a place to just lay down and relax. My mom was here, and when I tell you, she was really lounging on this couch. It's one of them couches. Now, ignore my lamp. I just want to see how it looked over here, but I have to fully install it, and then I'll get a better picture. But y'all, this is really nice. When I come in, I just feel like, wow. My space, it's me, it's speaking to me.